125 amber, yes. Amber, you will remember. So my goal is to make sure that opponent never dies. That's what I call wishful thinking, dreaming. I don't know what you want to call it. But I don't want to lose Epona.
I would just stable her and then use another one.
But what's the fun in that?
That's true.
I can't say I grew with my horse.
Well, you're already maxed.
What was that? Whoa, what was that? Give me a second, brother. Hey! Hey, guy! What are you doing here? Oh, you... I can rob him.
Don't rob him.
Wake up.
Hey!
I wasn't sleeping. I wasn't.
Liar! We just saw you.
He was thinking with his eyes closed. I was praying for the souls of the warrior and all who die here at Fort Hateno. That's a totally different thing.
Hate no.
You're welcome to join me if you want. Sure. That's a pretty lying thing to say for such a young kid. I'm 116. For Hateno, here was the last line of defense between Hateno village and the terrible tragedy of all those years ago. If not for this fort and the soldiers who held the line here, Hyrule as we know it might be gone entirely. It's our duty as a survivors to pray that those who gave their lives find peace and to pass on the story of the warrior. Now I can do a backflip.
What a cool kid. I'd be impressed if anybody ever backflipped away from me like that after a conversation.
I think that's the only way to leave conversations in this area, because he was talking about such an epic thing. Uh oh, there's a wait. Stay away, monsters.
Yeah?
I did not know the purpose of your journey, but there's a place that I recommend you pay a visit to. Deep in the reaches of Mount Lanairu lies a spring of wisdom, a story spring to which I am making a pilgrimage.
Okay, but you're just mumbling about monsters.
Right? I don't want to use that. I guess I'll use this. That's how you get apples, baby.
You just destroyed that tree for some apples.
Don't worry about it. The blood moon will make that tree come back and back.
It's not an enemy.
Hey, I'm in your house.
Just thinking.
Ah, I'm sorry. When a dark light resides in the cursed statue's eyes, pierce his gaze to purge the seal from the shrine. The fuck?
It's really deep. It's really deep.
I'm not wrong, am I? It must be around there. Ha! Let me guess. You caught a wind of the great Dr. Calip's groundbreaking research and just had to meet him for yourself, huh?
Totally. Yeah.
No? Don't tell me you never even heard of me after I dedicated my life to researching the ancient shrines. Well, you better remember my name, for it's not the last you'll hear of it.
Okay.
And while I'm at it, it's Dr. Calip. If you please, I didn't study my rear end off to be called Mr. Calip. Everyone forgets I'm a doctor for some reason.
He's a little entitled.
And since you asked, I'll inform you that I'm engaged in analysis of ancient texts. I haven't time for ancient texts. Yu-Gi-Oh! Exodia! Hieroglyphics? Soon, my long years of research will be revealed, and all the world will hail as the discovery of the century. To prevent any undue attention, I haven't even told my family about my work. You understand, I'm sure.
Then how are you so famous if his family doesn't even know? What? It's just logic.
Of course, Dr. Calip. Of course.
You could have said gotcha, Calip.
No, he wants me to say doctor. I'm going to feed to his ego so he can tell me what the fuck he found out. I need that info. I don't want to keep getting lasered by those fuckers. Doctor.
Whoa.
Did I just hear you call me doctor? As in not a mere Calip, but Dr. Calip, see? I gave him a boner. DJ Calip. DJ Calip! It rolled off your tongue so naturally. It was downright...
Salivary?
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Does it have something to do with saliva?
Doctor. Oh, yeah.
Poor microphone.
This changes things. Very well. I'm feeling charitable, so I'll... See? I'll let a few things spill. This is just between us, understand? When a dark light resides in the cursed statue eyes, pierce its gaze to purse the seal from the shrine. Fuck!
You already heard that.
I'm still in the process of deciphering that one, so I don't suppose there's any harm in sharing it with you. That's my life in a nutshell. Days filled with researching shrines and nights spent studying ancient texts. How the Wolf, thanks so much for the 4 months. That leaves no time to converse with passing strangers, so farewell.
He didn't tell us anything.
Son of a bitch. Did he give us the location to a shrine? I don't think so.
Nope.
Wait, so he gave us a side mission.
Did he?
Side quest, yeah. You heard this Calip of America. Solving the ancient sound riddle will reveal the hidden shrine. What?
Oh, it's a hidden shrine.
Fuck me, dude. What? Let's go, horse. This guy makes no sense. Hey, Kayla.
What?
I'm in a new place. Oh my god.
Are you excited?
Oh my god. You don't understand. Oh.
That's cool.
The fuck? Hey. Your horse is looking a little bit of green. You fucking fix that. Horse is about to die, baby.
No, it's not.
It's malnourished. What is that? What's wrong? Hey!
Everyone's always hunched over.
What's wrong?
Sniffle.
Hey! What's wrong? Tell me. What's wrong? Tell me. What is it? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? I need
Somebody to love me.
stupid.
What do you need?
What do you need? I need grills. Grill salmon? What the fuck? You what? And also, oh no, it's a pig bitch! No! I was about to give you the fish!
You got trapped.
I was about to give her fish.
That'd be funny if you got grilled salmon from
I can't believe that. I almost believe. Never trust, man. Also, fuck this shit. It's garbage. Take that.
What's over there?
It looks like there's a party.
I think you should go say hi.
Why do you want me to be so disrupted all the time?
Can you pick up those bombs and throw them over there?
Probably.
Let's see.
Give me a second. I have a question. Let me see. Let's see how this plays out. I think somebody's on fire over there.
Yeah.
Alright, give me a second. I think we can do this. We gotta aim it right.
Yeah, you're right.
Right Wait, should we aim it at the fire or at them?
At the fire.
At the fire.
Yeah.
So. Oh! Somebody came up with a better idea. Wait, but there's wind. Give me a second. I have an idea. Yeah. No, come back. Still getting used to the controllers. Blow yourself up, please. No. No. Now it's time for so long. But we'll sing just one more song. Thanks for doing your part. You're sure smart. You know with me and you. Come on. Do it. Go. Oh, it popped. God damn it.
I don't think it's gonna make it.
I have crippling depression now.
Back to plan A.
Fine.
Hit it on the fire. You tried.
Fine. I did. I really did. I really wanted that to happen. But okay. So let's do. That would have been great, man. All right. So here it goes. No, not that way. Fuck it.
Oh my gosh, I didn't do it.
I can't do it.
You have such bad aim.
It's just so. All right, you know what? I need a more precise sword. That's why. Here you go. It was so tough. I was joking. I'm gonna do it right. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Oh! Hit it with the whistle.
Nice. I knew that would work.
Oh my god, that was fun. Hey, Epona, chill. Calm down. Calm down. Coming back. First player with a $1. Poppy and Mommy, how you guys get so much monies? I grinded, dude, and I sold a lot of fish. I grinded and I sold a lot of fish. That's what I did. I'm a fish boy. Hiya! Fish boy? But I gotta find 900 to do 100%. 100% doesn't give you anything. Relax, Grandpa. Calm down.
It's Spock. Another Spock.
Ha!
Who are you? Be on your way, you suspicious man. I'm a traveler. So
He
that
doesn't know what that is.
what is a traveler? You slowly do appear to be a alien like the rest of us. Oh yeah, I'm decked the fuck out. Aliens are generally good folks, so sorry for getting all worked up. That's fine. You're free to go. We're just a waypoint on your winding road, huh? Winding. Fuck! Winding. Winding. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying it. Ah, the life of a traveler. Well, you can get most things you need at the general store. And the inn just back there. Attack the kid!
Do not attack the kid. It's a tiny child.
Crack!
You used to be that tiny.
Young boy! Young boy!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
You got glasses.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Sly, if you could only play one game series for the rest of your life, what would it be? Kayla, say hers too. I don't know. I like the Zelda series a lot. I like Mario series a lot too, and the Pokemon series. So
I don't have one.
So I don't know. I can't give you an honest answer.
I don't think I would. I don't think I would play one game over and over and over until the end of time.
Well,
I need variety.
Undertale, because I can speedrun it. Alright, Tebow. That's his name. Hey, mister. What is it, buddy? Bye, kid. What is it, buddy? Oh my god, you'll never guess what I found out. Wanna see? You sure do, as long as it's not your dick.
Eddie.
I don't wanna go to jail.
Child.
Okay, follow me.
Oh, it's so cute.
Wow, you're really fast, kiddo. Let's go. Hey, excuse me. I'm following this little kid. I just met him. Also, the Kingdom Hearts series is really good too. I would play a lot of Kingdom Hearts if I had to.
Kingdom Hearts is pretty cool.
What the fuck? Is this your fappy place? What is?
I guess I would play World of Warcraft. If I'm really gonna think about it, like that game has a lot of replay.
Wait a
value.
second. I think he found a demon statue. Demon boy! What is this?
No, just look at his innocent.
Look at what he found!
Pray to it.
Here it is. Neat, huh? It looks kind of like the statue at the chief's house. What do you think it is? I don't know. I'm gonna pray to it apparently. I hope Satan doesn't take me. I like the face. It has a smile. Ah. So there are some who still pay me homage. You can talk? You don't say. You can hear my voice. Yeah, I can hear that voice. I can hear it. Now, that it's a surprise. What were you praying for? Long life? Wealth? Like so many of your kind? Whichever it was, you came to the right place. A dealer in life and power. That was me. Once. Alas, my life for money bargains didn't sit well with the goddess Helia. She trapped me in the stone statue long ago. The villagers here call me the horn statue and don't even bother to wipe away the bird droppings. One would think years upon years of such treatment would have made me mend my ways. One would think wrongly. I have only been biding my time for the moment someone who can hear me appears, such as you. But I said enough. Now then, shall we strike a bargain? Then stay the way. No further action on your part is required. My touch is as subtle as ever. Know how I took that essence from you without leaving a mark. What the fuck? Wait. The horse. Give it back! Were you talking to that statue? Wow! You talk to statues? Fucking weird. Okay, see ya!
Smart move, kid.
What a fucking weirdo! Ah! It's fucking weird! I just got that stamina.
I know, right?
What's wrong then? Have your prayers gone unanswered? Give it back! Did you think I'd deceive you? Perish the thought. I hope that ours will be a long, profitable relationship, which will it be? As I may have mentioned once or twice, I'm a dealer in life and power. I can provide a valuable service to you. I take heart containers or stamina vessels from you, and then, for a price, return whichever of the two you like. Give me the stamina. A wise choice. Now remain still. You look skeptical. Not to worry. Money and life are all as one to me. If you're ready to begin, then first you must sell me either type of essence for 100 rupees. If you want to buy your essence back, the price. Oh, it's like a pawn shop. Yeah, like a pawn shop. Yeah. That's actually exactly it. Like a pawn shop. Oh, that's interesting. Before you cry foul, know that you may choose which one I return to you: a heart container or a stamina vessel. I am eager to help tamper with your essence anytime you want to return and pray here. So essentially, whenever we put too much into stamina,
We can switch it to the heart.
we can switch it to heart and get the master sword this way.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, Link.
Oh, Link! Give you what was yours. Thank you. Thank you. I was flipping out. Oh shit, shrine.
Right up there.
Miyanagana shrine. You wanna do this one?
Sure.
DJ Kayla on the controller. What?
Let's see. Now I
Respect.
gotta remember all the controls for this.
Sell your essence, then take a heart container. I don't want my essence. Satan wants your money? That's pretty cool. Hello, I'm Satan, and this is my pawn shop. Yo, fuck you. That meme is old as shit. He's like a nice Satan. I guess he's a Satan that wants somebody to fuck with. That's pretty much it. He's
He
like,
just
what?
wants somebody to give him some attention.
Yeah.
Just love me. Pray to me.
Hey, Alex, this chick, how you doing? Sell your soul to him? Oh shit, what is this? To you who sets foot in the shrine, I am Mayan Agana. In the name of the goddess Ahilia, I offer this trial.
Alrighty.
Miyagana apparatus. The fuck is a Miyagana apparatus?
What is this? Okay, so there's ball goes down there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, I know what this is. I think I caught someone doing this. You're gonna love it. Just go to that. You know what it is when you see it. Yep.
Oh goodness. Oh, I have to move with my controller. Okay.
I used to have this where you were like spin like the knobbies on the side. It was a video and it was a board game. And it had like a a silver marble. But the thing is, like, the one that I used to play will have like traps. Appa! And I don't mean like the ones that people think that it's a girl, but it's actually a guy. Like traps, like little holes that the ball could fall. This puzzle was hard as fuck. Well, Kayla's doing it, so I wouldn't know. Kayla got that gentle touch. Kayla got the gentle. Kayla, the gentle touch. Oh, what the fuck, Kayla? Look! Oh my God! What the fuck?
The plan all
That
along.
was that was bullshit. That was bullshit. Kayla, I can't see. Kayla! Ah, you fucked it up. Holy shit. Oh. All right, somebody said something. You can cheese this.
Yeah.
Want to try it? If you fail this one, if you don't do it, we'll try it just for shits and giggles. Let me see I want to see the strats. I always, if there's cheese strats, we're always gonna go for them, because I think they're hilarious. What the fuck are you doing, Kayla? Kayla! No! There you go. That's what they were saying. Yeah, they're saying that you, Kayla. What the fuck are you doing? They say flip it upside down, and you can just
Oh my gosh, this is hard. Okay, alright.
flip it upside down, and yeah, do it like that. Oh, come on, you got
I'm
this.
gonna get it. I gotta line it
You
up.
got this. You got this. All right, here we go. Oh, did you push it too far?
Was it too? Oh, yeah, there it goes.
Kayla, oh, there it is. Oh,
okay.
man. I like how you're just cheesing this puzzle.
Of course.
It makes me so happy.
How you do puzzles, right?
Oh.
Oh man. Alright.
Man, you're like
It's like right there.
You're like the Harlem Globetrotters of like puzzles. You're just doing tricks instead of making it. And God damn it, I get it. Make the shot. Kill it. Stop boosting it so fucking far.
Alright. Got too much power.
Just let it walk. There you go. Just tap it in.
Is that better? Can't see it. Do I gotta get out of here now? Cancel.
Yeah, cancel. I'm so proud of you.
There it goes.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you right now. You don't even understand.
And I flipped that over on my own.
I was gonna tell you it, but you found out
I figured
yourself.
it out.
I'm so proud of you,
I was
Kayla.
like, hey, I
wait,
wonder
check
if you
it around to see if there's a chest around. Look up, look at the walls. Look. Yeah, let's be curious. Like, look, not like that, you dork. Like, just look around, see if there's anything on the wall or anything. Like, the closest to us, at least. No. What about that pillar? Look up. Oh, that's just where we come from. All right.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure we don't miss a chest.
Well, there's probably one somewhere in
Somebody said make sure you get the chest and the platform.
Is it up here.
Probably. She put her thing down, flipped it, and reversed it. Wait. Oh shit. Wait. Are you actually okay? Wait. Is the chest there?
I don't know.
Oh, it's in right there. It's in the actual puzzle. Oh no! You didn't even try, baby girl.
It's okay. I'm right back here. So I gotta glide, right?
Yeah. Hey, Aeon, how you doing?
Oh, I don't want to crash. What?
Yeah. Good thing I have 100,000 food.
That's good. That's good.
Hey.
That's what I meant to do the first 2 times.
Hey, Kayla, you're actually doing more of the puzzle than the ball ever did.
I know, right? Ooh, look at that.
Oh, pretty shitty bow.
My inventory's full. Alright,
I don't want it.
fine. It's such a waste of time to come over here then.
But we still need to figure out what if it was something good or a piece of equipment.
That's true.
Ah, the girl. Hey, how you doing, Castle CDJ?
These little shrines are fun.
Yeah. At least I can give you 1 or 2 every now and then, so you can actually do something, you know.
Yeah.
Theory
How did I
says
do, guys? Pretty good.
Theory says gravity will lose one day. If gravity loses, we all lose. Because essentially we will be floating off to space, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we lose. So we
We
never want to
definitely
win. Like, if we win against gravity, that's bad. Doing good, Slide? Just chilling? Hey, good to know.
Why, thank you.
We need 4 more of those. 4 more.
We got 1. Thank you. I appreciate your blessing.
Thank you for your blessing.
Oh. All right. Let's continue. Good job, by the way, baby girl.
Thank you.
That was really good. We wouldn't just be floating off to space. We would literally completely fall apart. Oh, that's a little bit more than I thought. I thought it was just gonna be simple, a quick haha. I was just JK.
And what about the people that go into space with no gravity? How come they don't fall apart?
Because they got their shit together.
Is it because of their super special spacesuit?
Hey, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. No, I'm going to that tower first, and then we're gonna come back to the village.
Oh, see, there's your tower right there.
Oh, actually, I should probably use opponent for this. Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah, that's a trip. That's a trip.
Are good for this kind of thing.
Whoa, what a trip. God. Alright, so I've been hearing people complain that there's no music in Zelda. Are you fucking serious? Like, this shit.
There's a lot of music.
The music is like the ambience, like everything. Like, I guess, I don't know if people were complaining like in the sense of comparing it to Ocarina of Time.
Like there's not main theme songs, you know.
But it's like we haven't even really like I don't know. At least on my end, I haven't really gone as far as to like you know completing enough of the game to like say that. But I don't know. From the little that I have heard, that's a really good soundtrack. Actually, like it almost treats the game like a movie.
I think it's pretty lucky.
I think I went the wrong way.
No, you're gonna go.
Yeah, no, but for your opponent to actually go down. There we go. Haha! Oh, I wonder why a horse doesn't want to jump down a cliff. Hey, I heard that Strippin made his horse jump down a cliff and lost it, so, you know.
I mean, we don't want to do that.
What if I want to lose my horse, huh?
No.
As a face, please, want to lose it.
Stormy weather.
So what goes all around here? What do you mean what goes around here? We're playing Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild.
What else do you play?
We are trying to 100% this bitch. Oh shit, that's a blue. That's a blue dude. I don't want to deal with that. Dude, I'm so cool. Wait, why can't I not pick this? There you go. Hateno Tower.
Night, Leo.
Oh shit, wait a second. It's raining. I can't do shit.
You can't climb it?
No, because I'll slip a lot. Also, what's up with these branches, dude?
Don't touch them.
Can I burn them?
Try it. It's raining.
Oh my god!
You could.
Oh my god! I'm a genius!
And they're gone.
And they're fucking... Oh! Dude, I love that the game makes you feel smart. I was like, I was just thinking it would work because it makes sense. And the game was like, well, yes, it does make sense. Here you go.
Here you go. Let's burn them.
These towers have some weird names. Well, this tower's name... Uh-oh. Shit! I need more stamina. If I had more stamina, then I would be good. Hateno Tower? No, it's Hate No Tower. Hate no one. This is a
Is
place...
that what it is? Hate no?
Yeah, it's just hate
It's
no.
not hot no.
It's not Hateno. It's hate no. Is there hate? No. Okay, good.
Are you gonna make it?
Fire solves everything most of the time. You smart. You loyal. Yep. All right. Monkey with link with the monkey business. Booyashaka! Dude, I feel so smart. But the upkeep on these towers is just dreadful, man.
I just need to call you.
I would like a lump sum payment, please. Let's see. Climb that. Oh, yeah, fuck, you're right. Thank you so much for the tips. You know, usually people wouldn't like backseating, but I don't mind people backseating. Again, as long as you don't spoil, let's all play the fucking game together.
I need 2 fire arrows. Nope. 3.
I think I gotta get a little bit closer, cause like it doesn't reach. Like I might need to climb a little bit higher.
Oh, I see.
Hoocha! Cause like I understand people getting excited about like, oh dude, you're gonna get this cool shit, or like, actually somebody remember the first time when we streamed this and recorded this, somebody in the chat was like, dude, go to the water, you're gonna find Excalibur or something like that.
Oh yeah.
I saw like the first video went up on YouTube and the same dude was like, I sure got him. I told him that it was Excalibur, but it was actually rusted. I'm like, you
God.
fucker. You went with the intention of fucking me. Oh shit!
Eddie.
It wasn't enough of a test. I'm making it harder on myself just because. But everyone knows the greatest game ever is Grass Simulator. They have this in this game,
Oh my goodness. Barely.
dude. All right.
Link's like, just let me breathe.
You ready? I'm coming. I'm pushing. Yeah, I'm a rock baby.
Congratulations on your new zone.
Scanning area.
Knowledge is power.
Daddy!
Pirate's not having none of this.
I know, Avis Pirate's so upset. The whole place is enjoying themselves, though. Oh my god. I get to explore this new area.
Look at it, so pretty.
It's so big. It's so big. Oh, it's so much. Oh, exploring. Ah, I'm not worthy. All right, so we need to go to the village. Oh, and guess what? Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Travel.
I would have glided down.
Negative. I have no time.
I would have glided.
I have no time. I need to know.
Did you see how high you were up there?
Oh yeah, but
super
still, I don't.
So we're gonna teleport and walk. Boring.
That's what she said. Oh come on.
That's what I said. Yeah.
You guys are real mature.
You
right?
guys caught that?
Real mature. And stamina vessels kind of suck. Now, just because of that, I'm gonna get all stamina. 100% stamina run. Guys, you're allowed to be mad at me
What
if
about
I
your
use.
Horse?
Huh?
What about your horse?
Eh. We'll cross that bridge when we need to. Alright?
It's gonna get eaten.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
You don't sound convinced.
It's not.
You don't sound
Stop.
convinced.
I don't need to sound convinced. I'm sure.
Sly loses opponent in first recording.
No, 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 no. I'm not gonna lose her. Do we
Nice
need
knowing you,
an offering? No, no offering here. Fuck you, puzzle rocks. Give me this. Oh wait, wait.
Everyone's like rip opponent.
She's not dead, guys. Don't listen to Kayla. Kayla's just instigating into that.
I don't know, guys.
Ooh. We already have one. We already have this. What is this? We already have the Warren Dublé. We don't have this.
It's the same.
No, it says stereo in your inventory, you dork. You see? If I were to have it, it would say inventory 1.
Well, I mean, like, it's the same armor, right? 4/4.
Oh, but that's not leveled up.
Does it give you anything? They're just heavier. High defense.
That's pretty good. I'll just buy it just because I can.
Oh, okay. I see.
I wanna.
Better get the chest then.
I'm gonna get the whole works. The whole works. Don't even think like that. I love Epona. I love Epona too.
Yes, yes, he has, Doxa.
What?
You visited the talking statue.
Yes, I did. Satan statue? Yes, I have. Wait, what are you?
She's cowering in the corner.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my god.
Her eyes are really far apart.
She looks like that, did you ever what? Yeah, actually, you don't know about System of a Down, do you? You don't.
I've heard of the band before.
You heard, but have you seen that music video, Aerials?
No.
So they have a little kid in it, and he has like his eyes really far apart like that.
Okay.
And it's fucking weird. So that's what I think about. Aerials in the sky. Fucking weird. Hey. Let's not bother that guy. She's a creep. Yeah, she's fucking weird. Hey, we got pots here. Let's check what we got here. Oh. Oh. Hey! I want them all! Yeah! I want them all! No! Oh, these two! Hey! What about these guys? What about these guys? Yeah! Yeah! I'll take them all! Yeah! Hey! More! Yes! Yeah! Arrows! How many do we have now?
Go upstairs.
Oof.
35.
Oof. Oof. Oof.
What's upstairs? Is that the kid?
Oh, is that the little kid? Oh, I'm gonna be a creep.
Wake him up.
Wait a second. Give me a second. Hey, kid. It's a different kid.
Oh. It is a different kid.
This is kind of weird, Kayla. Why are we up here? Also, let's put the armor real quick so we can see how it looks. Oh, shit.
You look like a soldier.
Right? Yo, welcome to Dark Souls. The fuck?
Dove, no. No, Dove.
Did you know you can buy a house in this town somewhere? I have the money for it!
Oh, no.
Where's the house? Where's my house? Is this my house?
Just barged in.
There's a secret if you wake them off without armor and clothes.
No, Dove.
Is that true?
No. Don't listen to him.
I did hear that if you 100%, you get a secret ending. Like if you do 100%, you can see one of the big fairies, one of their tits.
So you already know.
No, I heard. This is hearsay.
Hearsay.
That if you
I don't know
100%
about that.
this, you can see the big fairies. You can see their boobs. I'm serious. I heard this.
I don't believe you.
He looks anime as fuck. Wait, is that Hiccup from How to Train a Dragon, but
It
with
looks like him.
with a drug problem of use?
He looks so sleepy.
Where's Toothless, Sly? Where's Toothless? It's true. See, Ungrateful Elf said it's true. Oh, hey, traveler, right? Welcome, or what I say. It's a pretty normal hour for official welcoming, though. Sorry. Well, I guess it's time, but I don't have really any welcome gossip. No real talk of the town per se. I guess I could give my personal highlights. Yes, please. I guess if I had some name attractions, I'm partial to be to the funny talking guy at the dye shop. Ah. Because a running man is an attraction. Oh, but we have a view of the famous mount of the North, Mount Lanairu. Mount Lanairu? Yeah, Mount Lanairu is interesting. The Spring of Wisdom the Princess of Hyrule used for purification is said to be somewhere on that mountain. Special mountain that the princess had to endure hardship to visit? I bet the royal family left the treasure there. Well, at least maybe they could have. I would if I was royal. Anyways, Mount Lanairu is a mysterious place and isn't gauze and ice. If there is treasure, no one's getting it. Well, if you have time to kill, feel free to have a look around up there. Man, he has a lot of fucking information.
Yeah.
That's a little girl! I think. Was it what everybody having elvish ears though?
That's Zelda.
No, I get that part, but I thought that only like the little. Oh wait, this is the dye area. Wait, I'm gonna put my cool outfit. Let's dye this shit. Actually, yeah, let's dye this and then I can dye something else.
Whoa.
Welcome! If you're looking to add some color to your wardrobe, you found the right place. How do you do?
Hugh do
What do
you
you do?
It's Hugh do you do.
Who do you do? I
it?
get it. I get
It's
it.
a
Hugh,
color
I
joke.
get it. I get it.
Color joke.
Welcome to Kochi Dye Shop, where we live to dye. If you have any dye ingredients, it's 20 rupees to dye an item. That includes our service charge, of course. Let's get going. All right, let's do it. Alright. Elves are healing? Oh. It's time to tint. Any day to dye the whole outfit at once? Alright. What color are we choosing?
Purple.
That looks so good.
Okay.
That looks so good. What? Yellow one looks cool. Black looks legit. Purple looks so good though. Pink?
No.
So they know that I'm a girl?
No.
Come on. Yellow? It looks like piss. I
I
don't
don't
know.
like it.
Alright. Let's do purple. Oh shit. Oh, good. I have it. That. Thanks for the business. Alright now, stay like that and don't move a muscle.
Look at you.
I look so good. What a wonderful tone that is. I might try that on one of my outfits. You look dashing. Do you find it oh my god. Do you find this palatable?
Palatable.
Palatable. I can't even read. If you would like to re-dye, just let me know. Ah, I love it. VGA with the 100 bits. So when is the Pixelmon for sub server coming? Hopefully soon, because I can't wait to play Pixelmon with the homies. There's a server already, but it's not ours. It's just a server that is running, that we are able to go, that one of the homies is apparently a gym leader. That's what the idea was. But yo, I look so good. I like how they give you a lot of like customization.
Yeah, nice.
Really fucking cool. So we're gonna figure out what is the house that we need to buy. I don't know why we need to buy a house, but I want it. Come on in. This is the end. I don't. Let's go visit it. Why not? We've been talking to almost everybody.
Well, you get quests and stuff, right?
You probably. Oh, she's cute. Good. Prima. You know what prima means? It means cousin in Spanish. That's weird. Welcome to Tompu Inn. What the fuck is these names? Extra soft. Nah, dude. I'm good. But we can check who's here. Business is not moving that much, is it? I guess people don't have time to read. Wait, is that sparkly?
I heard. Yep.
That's just a lid. It's not even good.
Just a lid.
It's right across from the shrine where the wooden bridge is. Alright. Good looking out. Wait, so it should be around here then. So, the wooden bridge. Is that ducks?
Quack. Oh, I like how they're flying in a V up there.
Oh, that's so cool. Yo, it makes this game so alive. What the fuck, dude? Alright, so the shrine was here. Let's look at the shrine. Here's the shrine. Where's that house?
Maybe it's one of these houses.
The house you had to buy is across the bridge by the square houses.
Square houses are behind you.
Wait, so these ones? Wait, these?
Well, those are the square houses.
Alright, well, let me go to the one where... Hey, house! For sale? No? Okay.
That's cool.
This is a pretty nice house. Oh shit!
Oh, that's nice.
Yo, I feel like this game will set the standards for all open world games. Not really. This game takes a lot from other games. They just know how to combine it pretty well. It feels like. Just behind them.
I don't know. I feel like it does set a good standard.
Oh, so probably that one behind. Oh, this one? Hey, guy. Give me that hammer.
Hi.
Morning there. Another day, another rupee. What are you doing? Working, as you can see. This old house here has been abandoned. Everyone in Hateno Village agreed we should demolish it. The owner apparently went off to the castle to report for service. Never came back. Never wrote. So away it goes. I would buy this place. Well, I'm not into real estate, so I can't really help you out there. If you're really interested in this place, you're gonna need to talk to the boss.
The boss.
Who's the boss? Yo, Cake Boss, where are you?
You got your own apple tree back there.
Who the fuck is the boss? Talk to the person behind the house? Oh. Hey, what the f- Oh, wait a second.
Ooh.
His hair is like,
His head is so. He's like an egg.
yeah. No, but it moves like a jellyfish. Who are you? I'm a carpenter for Bolson Construction. Name is Hudson. What are you doing? I'm knocking this place down. No. I'm gonna talk to... You're the boss? Morning! Alright, you do the voice for this.
Morning. How should I do it? I don't know.
Well, he clearly looks gay as fuck.
So why should I do him? Because I'm a girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Morning. Need something from me? In case it's not obvious, I'm demolishing a vacant house. Times are rough. Not a lot of buyers, you know? So the villagers decided it was best to just tear it down.
I can buy it.
Whoa, get a load of young moneybags. Just wanna buy it, huh? Okie-doo, let me lay it out for you. See, this house been vacant for years. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,000 square foot
Oh.
condominium.
Oh. This is
So the
good.
villagers had a meeting, argued, voted, and decided to tear it down. The demolition costs with associated fees, permits, and other such details come in at 50,000 rupees. You got that money bags? You got 50,000 rupees?
Oh, my ass!
Just go buy it with the 50,000. So when you say you want to buy it, you're talking about 50,000 rupees. You got that much on you? Huh? You got that much rupees? Huh? I figured when I was your age, I had serious money problems too. So I know how it feels all too well. Always out there buying all those outfits you don't need. You know, just willy-nilly. You see arrows in an arrow shop, you just gotta buy them. Out of stock, arrows. All the time. Then you're gonna think you're gonna come out here and
Why are
buy
you
all-
judging what I do with my money, you fucking pink wearing, no shirt, fucking bald ass,
Hey.
fucking
Hey.
breast awareness headband
Private- This
motherfucker?
is private property. If you're not gonna buy this house, get off this land.
Fucking
Get off.
fucking Jaguar motherfucking little hammer book holding bitch.
Security! Security! Alright, look. Here's the deal, just for you. I'll cut you a special price, 3,000 rupees.
That's more like it. That's more like. Might as well give me the goddamn house for free.
How's that sound for you? 3,000. You got that? But in return!
Oh my god.
I'm gonna need you to bring me 30 wooden bundles. Building materials. You know how it is to build stuff. Anyway, you understand the terms, then you can get to it. Show me what you built out of.
Read that shit right, you dork.
Anyway,
You
understand
dog.
the terms. You get to it and show me what you built out of. Hopefully wood bundles, because that's what I need. 30 of them, please. That's a construction joke. Get it? Ha! Pull up some cars and stop what you're doing. Now. Right now.
He's really fucking gay.
Stop it.
Oi! You got it.
Alright, I guess it's time to cut down all the trees in the village.
No! That's your apple tree. That's your apple.
Don't worry about it. The blood moon will suffice us with another one.
It responds to trees.
It responds to the whole fucking game. That's how they went about it. They were really smart about how to make. They're like, how do we keep the players engaged with a map that they're already going to like completely destroy?
So there's no way to just go in and make a goal for yourself to take out all the trees in the
Nope.
entire map.
They come back. They come back.
Can you take out that big tree? There?
Young boy. No, I can't. It's too big.
It's too big.
It's too big.
That's what she said.
Kayla. Is this considered eco-terrorism? I don't think so. I think it's survivor of the fittest, and they're clearly not putting a fight, so I'm winning. It's that or I use my blade, and I don't know, man. I kind of need it for fights and stuff.
So I hear.
Cut down the big one? I don't think I can.
That one?
I'll try, but it's gonna break my sword. No, look, right through it. Who's this? Oh my god, is that? I'm sorry. Is that Aaron?
Aaron?
Look! Wait a second. She's covering her face. Look.
You know, you're so good looking, she can't stand to gaze upon you.
It's Aaron!
Aaron, I didn't know you were in this game.
Hey, Aaron. What's up? What did she say? Go ahead. You read! You read!
I know it's all the same, more or less, but the rain feels different on your skin the higher you go.
The fuck do you mean?
Aaron, explain. Oops, I just forgot we just met. Or forgot we just met. I was reminiscing about my hometown of Lurelin Village by the sea. The view and the air are different here in Hateno Village, but this is where my wonderful husband calls home.
Aww.
She's cute. I count myself lucky to be able to live and work alongside such a wonderful, loving man.
Aww.
She's adorable. It's a small fishing community far to the south. I lived there before I moved here with my new husband.
New husband? Wait, she had a new one? Uh-oh, she's a skink. New husband. Old one, out of here. New one, like a ring.
It doesn't imply that she had an old one. It just
I don't know.
It just implies she has a new one. We had to cross the bridge of Hylia to get here, weighted down with everything I couldn't bear to leave behind. Thinking back on it, it's a wonder either of us survived the trip. Alright.
Oh, it's raining.
Yep.
Gah.
Aaron's married.
This is a look into her future.
Yep.
Booyah! Sorry.